Hello everyone, this right here is my LLY Duramax. It's a 2005. Just got done washing it, as you can probably tell. I'm gonna take the resonator off, and it's just a 2-inch opening. You just put a little end piece on it, tighten it up, and we're gonna see what that does. And yeah, let's get to it. So while I'm on my way to the hardware store, I guess I'll talk a little bit about the truck. The 15-inch U-Series Sundown back there. It's powered by a 3,000 watt hypnotic amp. It's only running at 4 ohms though. I think I need a bigger power wire to run it at 1 ohm. But anyway, I've got, let's see, the 6.5-inch Sundown Neo Pro speakers in the front doors, and then in the back, I'd bought the same ones for the back, but they didn't fit. So in the back I've got, I'm not sure which ones they are, but I know they're 6.5-inch kicker speakers. So that's the head unit right there, and then I got my phone mount right there. So everything done to it, I've got the amp research running boards. As far as the engine, it's got the EGR valve on it still, which I plan on taking that off. But it's got a 4-inch straight pipe on it. It's got a PPE economy tune on it, which is just, let's see, stage 1's 30 horsepower, stage 2, I think it's 60, or maybe it's 75, and then stage 3 is 120. Which right now it's on stock. And look at this dumb. Look at this idiot. I swear, I hate when people do this. If you drive like this, I hope you die. Like, for real. Like, jeez. Alright, well, anyway. I'm on my way to the hardware store now. So, I hope they have what I need. I mean, if not, I know somewhere will. But, I'll get back to y'all whenever I get it. Alright, I'm in Lowe's. Got the cap. Should work. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some before and after. This is before. I'm gonna prop my phone up. I just got back here, and we're gonna see what this will do. So for those who don't know exactly what I'm doing here, let me show you. Alrighty, so this thing right here is called the I can't think of it. What is it called? Resonator. This right here is called your resonator. Basically, all it does is just make the turbo quieter. That is only reason. And I guess to tell you, you got a 6.6 liter turbo diesel. But anyway, apparently it's really easy to take off, and you just start a little cap over it, and it's done. So I'm gonna see how I go about taking this thing off. So I got that loosened up, and next I'm gonna be loosening up this right here, and then this should pop off unless there's another screw, which I think that's all there is. Actually, hold on, so that just popped right off. So all you gotta do is just loosen that screw, and then next I've got to take this rubber thing off, and then I just slide that cap right on. It's hard for me to record and do this, but this little rubber grommet should just slide off. I don't know why it ain't. Try and rip it off with these pliers. There it is. All right, got that off. So now all we should have to do is just slide this right on, and boom, she's on there. Well, alrighty. Well, I'm gonna start the truck up and we'll see what it sounds like. Look at that beautiful Kentucky sunset. All right, so I'm gonna put my camera up and we'll see what she sounds like now. Now, I think the difference is very, very little, which that's what I've heard anyway, is that it's not a very big difference, but it's just something you can do. I think I paid like $3 or $4 for that cap. So, I mean, I'll listen to the videos and see what I think, but I mean, I don't know. I think I could tell a little bit of a difference, but you know, overall, it's not like it'll change the world or nothing, but you know, I guess we'll put 2 and 2 together and see what it sounds like. Hey guys, I'm here editing the video with my boy Wamatanye, and just about got it wrapped up, but I'm just saying, if you liked the video, thought it was helpful, anything, let me know. Like, subscribe to the channel. I'd like to see it grow. Thanks for watching. Peace.